What's up, DB gang 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 gang? So I'm going to show you guys how I make my avocado hair mask for hair growth and how I apply it to my hair as well. Before I show you guys how I do this tutorial, I'm going to get in the benefits of an avocado hair mask. So stay tuned for the video. So the benefits of using an avocado in your hair is it's a natural moisturizer. It helps prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. And avocados help strengthen the hair. I just don't use plain avocados. I do put some oils in my hair mask as well as aloe vera juice. So I'm gonna jump into the different type of benefits of using these oils. So the first oil I'm gonna start with is avocado oil. So using avocado oil, it helps with dry scalp as well as strengthening the hair root. It also locks in moisture. And this brand of avocado oil is the Now brand. Now I did get all these oils off of iHerb.com. They are very inexpensive and they also have an app, so you guys can definitely check that out. The next oil I'm going to be using is avocado oil. Now avocado oil is a non-greasy moisturizer. It's rich in vitamins and fatty acids which help promote hair growth. It helps restore nutrients to the skin. Now the next oil I'm going to be showing you guys is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil stimulates hair follicles to help promote new growth. It prevents dandruff and it also controls frizzy hair. Now another oil I will be using is castor oil. Now I'm using two brands of castor oil. I have the regular Now brand of castor oil and I also have Jamaican black castor oil. I did get this castor oil off of Amazon for I believe about $7 or $8. It was really cheaper than going into the beauty supply store and ordering it. Now the benefits of using castor oil is castor oil helps thicken the hair, increase hair growth, treat split ends, treat dry itchy scalp, and it repairs dry, damaged, or brittle hair. Now the last oil I will be using is almond oil. Now almond oil is a sealant and it protects your hair when using heat. It penetrates the hair shaft and add moisture, prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth, and it also reduces scalp inflammation. So these are the benefits of using all the oils. Now I'm gonna jump into the last item I will be using, which is aloe vera. So aloe vera juice works as a conditioner for dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. It prevents hair fall and enhance hair growth. It works against dandruff as well as healing a itchy scalp. So y'all, these are all the benefits of using all the oils as well as using avocado and as well as using aloe vera. So let's jump into the things that you would need for this tutorial is an avocado. Now these are Mexican avocados. I use Mexican avocados because they are very large and it's enough. One avocado is enough for my whole head, and I feel like if you get Mexican avocados, the riper they are, if you don't use them right away, they will go bad. So I normally get mine when they're still a little firm. I just let it sit in the refrigerator until I am ready for it. I do have a spoon and I am using an empty bleach container to put all my condiments in. And I also have a blender as well to blend everything together. So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, as well as subscribing, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys can be updated every time I post a video. And don't forget to share this video with
I just took my braids out. Please do not come for me. I know I look crazy.
But I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply this avocado hair mask. Now, I do this mask every other weekend, or depending on how I feel, and that way it gives me time to rotate it with my other deep conditioner. Now, I do let this sit in my hair for anywhere from 25 minutes to 2 hours, depending on what I'm doing. So if you guys do this hair mask, it's all according to your preference and how long you want to keep it in your hair. Now, this process does get a little messy. If your hair mask is a little runny, it does get a little messy. So I just advise y'all to use a shirt that you really don't care about, or